Hi guys, welcome to Drinker Styles. Today is day 6. Yes, day 6 of Vlogmas. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. We have a fun video today. We are just going to make some leg warmers, and I do this every single year. Just make different ones to build up my leg warmers collection. But let me tell you, you may get addicted just a little bit to doing this, but I love how it looks with outfits. So let's get straight into the video. And like I said, subscribe and hit that notification bell. Leave me a comment. Let me know if you tried this, or are there any other ways I can do this to make the leg warmers look cute. If you have any ideas, leave them below as well, okay? So let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so what you want to do is take your sweater. I got this sweater from, it wasn't a thrift store, it was like a clothing closet. Yeah, somebody had a clothing closet, and I was like, let me see what I can thrift. So I got this. It looks pretty ugly on, and it looks dingy, but they would make great leg warmers. So I'm just gonna cut it in half, and it's so simple. It's already stretchy on the end. It's got a little stretch to it, and I know my legs are small, so you definitely want to get something that'll be able to fit your leg. So if you stretch this and it's not wide enough, don't even worry about it. You might have to choose a bigger sweater. So yeah, it could be a shirt if you want, but we're just going to do this sweater, and I love this material. It's very thick and it will definitely keep my legs warm. So I just start right where the armpits are, and then I just cut it. Now you can do this one by one if you want, one sleeve at a time, but I'm just doing it the easy way, just getting it out the way together. These scissors are not sharp. These are my kids' scissors, so not sure where mine are. But bam, look how easy that was. And this yellow is quite pretty for some leg warmers, I think. And this is what's left. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this, if anything, but sometimes I can make a scarf out of it, but this material is not the best, so I'll just probably toss that. Yeah. And so, to match the shirt I have on, I have this thrifted one as well. Oh, and guys, with these, you can sew some buttons at the top, hot glue buttons right here to make some cute leg warmers, and be creative. You can put little bows on it, however you want to do it. But let's do the same thing to this ugly, dingy shirt I got from the thrift store for probably like 50 cents. Oh, I just realized this part was cut. Anyway, I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna just do this piece together. And I realized I chose two yellow. This one's like a mustard yellow. And so yeah, let's see how this works out. I like my leg warmers to be kind of long. This might be a little wide, I think. Let's do it here. And this is like a long john material. So yeah. Here, and let's try it on. So this is the part that I will put on first. So I have that right on the seam there, and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. See, look how an imperfection can be perfection. Okay, so it looks like it's about halfway. Whoa. So this should be good. I'm down here in my salon, guys. We're about to fall over. I can't see because of all this hair. So yeah, you see how that looks? Can you? And you can tuck this under. You can hot glue this. I'll put that Stitch of Richer on there. And I'll just show you how it looks with my boots on. I got these boots from Sears when they were going out of business, so and all the time when I have these boots, I might not want to wear these so high. So I would probably, let's do this. I'll show you on the other one. I'll keep this one up. Hold on. I'm just going to tape this all the way down, just like that. Then put my boot on. And this scrunchy part, if you have skinny ankles like me, then it just helps fill it out a little bit. So that's a good part. And it keeps my ankles very warm. So you don't have to have it as high as I had it on the left leg, but yeah. So you can wear it like this. And also I love to double. I like to double the leg warmer. Sometimes I might have on green and, yellow and black, depending on what I'm wearing, so you can double them. But I'm gonna cut another one for you. Let's see, now I have some leggings down. These are cool because these can come over the knee. So that's why I love the leggings. These are faded, they're low, they kind of hurt my stomach. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut these. I was just gonna give them away, but I figured might as well. So right from the middle, right there in the middle, I'm going to cut across. All right, these are like really stretchy, so I know for sure these should fit my leg. And we'll try. We'll see how that looks. These, Edison might like these, y'all. You might like them now. So let's see. All right, so we're gonna turn this upside down to the part where you cut it so we can fit. Like I said, these come high, so you will have to hot glue this, because if you tuck it, I really think it's gonna come loose. But you can try. You do like a deep tuck, but don't just tuck it on the edge. So it looks like that. So it comes very high. I'm not sure what actually I will wear this with, because this is a print. So we'll have to figure it out. So I'm not sure, guys, but we'll see. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what you can do. Yeah. All right, so that was that. And if you don't like it this high, you can just keep it low. All right. And if you keep it low, you could just turn it the other way, because it won't work like this. But unless you have bigger legs. I'm going to say it won't work, because it kind of works like that. Y'all get the idea. Okay, guys, so here's a black dingy shirt that I don't need no more. Got a hole underneath the armpit, and it's just a little faded. So we're going to do the same thing to this one. So like I said, fold it, and you're going to cut those sleeves off. Try to get the sleeves even. Cut it right there. All right, good. So that's that, and there's some more. So these leg warmers, over the knee socks, they are so fun to make, so easy, so simple. Like everybody should have some, like everybody. And when I have stretchy material like this works so good as ponytail holders. So this is a little extra step. Don't throw this shirt away. The cotton shirts are great to just cut the bottom. You can make a headband. Just like that, or a ponytail holder. And so you don't have the seam, you cut a thinner strip. All the way across. stretch it out. I should have did this thicker. But yeah, and then you have a long ponytail holder. Cool for ponytails. I like to keep these right by the bed just to put my hair on in a bun at night. So I would just take one of these and just kind of pin my hair up at night. So I love to keep these right in the bathroom. So yeah, you can make so many out of one shirt. So many, guys. So now it's the fun part. Trying everything on. Yay!